Hey y'all, hey, so today's video is a surface clean with me. I just want to review this product for you guys. I shared it in my under the kitchen cabinet organization video and I never used it, so I'm going to try it out today on some surfaces in my house. It's supposed to work well in the house, outdoors, in the bathroom, all of the usual surfaces, and I am just really curious to see if it's any better than the Mr. Clean erasers. I am a long-time fan of those as well, but this one caught my eye because everybody is raving about the little products by Mommy, is it Scrub Mommies and Scrub Daddies? So yeah, I recently just tried the Scrub Mommy in a cleaning video, and I'll have that linked in my description box for you as well. But yeah, let's get started with how I'm going to use this in today's video. So let's get inside. So the first thing that I wanted to do was get the eraser moist, and I am going to be using warm water because I want it to be soft so that I can use it on all of these hard surfaces. I think it'll be better if it is softened. But we are first going to start in the kitchen, right behind my trash can. There is a black line from where there's a lot of friction between the wall and the trash can, and we just use it so often. And so I'm very impressed, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very impressed with how fast I was able to remove this line. I also cleaned all around that area, but I just showed you the prominent spot here that had the most issues, and yeah, I'm not upset at all. I will show you guys how the wall looks after it's completely dried in the aftershock. Also on this same wall here, we do have an issue with some tape residue from like 2 birthdays ago, and y'all, I just never attempted to remove it. But I will say that it did remove the residue. Like, it's less sticky, but you can apparently see that it's not gonna go anywhere. So if you have any suggestions on how I can remove this goo from the tape, please leave it in the comment section below, because I really do need to get this going for a future project. Wink wink, or please hit the subscribe button so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it didn't remove it at all, so that was a no-go for me, but it's okay. We are going to move on to my light switches next, and if you have kids, you already know that they are disgusting, and even the surrounding wall of this light switch was disgusting, which I also cleaned as well. But I'll just show you me cleaning the light switches because they really needed it. Lucas is yeah, he touches everything, but that's to be expected, so I gave that a good wiping down, and a few others as well, but you only got to see this one because I just wanted to really focus on this wall for this video. Feeling in my bones. I don't really have anything extra to add to this. It did exactly what it was supposed to do, and it looks great in the after shot. So we are moving on to my accent wall in my dining space, and we have some tire marks here as well as the bike handle. He has scraped up the wall, so I am going to be using it on this as well, and I'm very impressed. It really did remove all of the marks. I did lose a little bit of paint, but I think that is to be expected. I did use the satin paint for this wall, and it's supposed to be wipeable, but this eraser did leave behind a white residue, so I will follow up with a microfiber cloth just to remove any leftover residue from, I think this has the scrubbing gems or something, so that's probably what it was, but it did work out fine, and I'll show you an after shot of that as well. I wanna get high on So I wanted you guys to see what the dry eraser was looking like after I did that wall with the paint on it. I did say that I lost some paint, but I just wanted to give it a rinse before we move on to erasing the dry erase marker from the door on Lupus's little play area down underneath the stairs. I don't know, y'all. Apparently he thought this was a part of his dry erase board one day, and he just went to town on this door. So I'm giving it a shot, and I am thoroughly impressed. I am very impressed. So if I only buy it just for this purpose, I will buy it again because it really worked. And I know that I am speeding this up, but y'all, it was a beautiful thing. I will show you what the door looks like after, and Logan wanted to make a little appearance because she just didn't want me to be great in this video, but it looks great and I'm very happy with it. And I'm also going to be cleaning our front door interior because y'all, it's pretty gross, and like, I don't really know why I never noticed how disgusting it is, but y'all, it needed it, and I'm very grateful that I'm taking the time to clean this, and you all can see that it is working great. I'm sure the Mr. Clean product works the same way, but this is just a review in case you wanted some options outside of that magic eraser. This Scrub Daddy can do the trick as well, and the after is beautiful. And seeing how well it worked on the inside, I thought I would give the exterior door a little wipe down, and you see the condition that it's in. It's not great, and I'm really curious to see what this is actually on the door, and I'm realizing now that it's not dirt. It may be a little bit of mold or mildew. I wanted to open the door really bad to give it a good scrubbing, but y'all, the flies were just everywhere, and I just didn't want them to get in the house, so I gave it my best shot. It didn't work. I don't really think it's the product. Okay, so I've cleaned as many surfaces as I intended on cleaning today, and I am going to give you my opinion. Honestly, I think this product works best indoors because outdoors there really wasn't a whole lot that I was impressed with it about. I know that my door probably needed to be repainted instead of trying to think this was a quick fix. So yeah, like I said, I do still strongly believe that it's going to be a great indoor product, but I don't think that it's going to come first. I mean, I think it's a tie between this and the Mr. Clean eraser. Yeah, that's my true, honest opinion about it. I think that it is not a necessity. You do not have to rush out and find this specific brand of eraser. I did enjoy using it for the dry eraser because I have had issues in the past using the Mr. Clean eraser on that. So if you have children, then maybe you would want to give this a try. But I mean, it did everything that the Mr. Clean dry erasers did. This crumbled a little less than the magic eraser. I will say that, because usually by now all that I did today, this would have been probably broken in half. So it is a little bit more durable, and I did like the thickness of it. So there are some pros to this, but it, like I said, it's not a necessity. Will I reach for this first? Maybe if it's on sale. But I just really wanted to make this quick review because I like to show you guys options as far as cleaning products. And you know, if I see something that I've never seen or used before, I like to share it with you guys, because we are all trying to keep our homes clean, and in the process we need products, durable, good, clean products that actually work. So hopefully you enjoyed this review, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.